Hi Valerie, it's Jeremiah. Here are your knives and tools before and after I sharpened them. As you can see, they definitely need to be sharpened. They were quite dull. Luckily, there's nothing I couldn't handle. As you can see now, they are slicing through the paper like absolute crazy. I sharpened all the German style knives around 15 degrees, and then those two shoons at around 12. You're gonna have so much more fun now slicing and dicing in the kitchen. And then here are your tools. I cleaned them all up, sharpened them, and oiled the garden tools.